Hey everybody!
Hey guys.
We're here at Harrah's Cherokee in Cherokee, North Carolina. Right behind us is Brio Italian Grille. We loved it. We love this place here. We're gonna go inside and have some Italian food. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's eat.
Let's go.
Here's a look at the menu here. They got some starters right there. That spinach and artichoke tip is really good. They got flatbreads right there. That sausage, pepperoni, ricotta sounds really good. There's your soup and side salads there. And then they have the garden salads right here. Alfredo fresco right here. We got the chicken onto those options if you want to as well for the fettuccine. And then up here they got the pasta. Steph got the alla vodka today. And then here's the land and sea. The chicken Milanese right here, or the Millie as they call it, is just your chicken parmesan. It's my favorite here, and I got that again today. We've heard some good things about their steaks here. And then their desserts, and that tiramisu dessert right there is fantastic. And then flipping it over on the back here is your cocktail menu. Beverages and water. Got your beer, spritzers and sangrias. And then up here you got the bubbly. The bubbly, white wine and rosé, and then you got your red wines here, and you got your house wines. So a lot of options on the menu here. Alrighty, dig into our salad now. Salad is always really good here. It's a traditional Caesar salad. That's all blended really good, fantastic. This is some of my favorite breads. It's almost like a sourdough bread, but it's like really good and fresh, super soft on the inside. So this is one of our favorite Italian restaurants. So
yeah, it's really good here.
Start, yeah, so far. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get back into this.
Alrighty, our food just got here. This is the chicken Millie, or chicken Milanese they call it, which is like a chicken parm. Looks really good. That's my huge pile of Parmesan cheese they shred fresh for you right there. And Steph got the chicken alla vodka right there. That looks really good.
It's stuffed with ricotta cheese.
I got the crispy pancetta too.
Crispy pancetta,
yeah.
And this is the spicy sauce. Yeah,
that looks really good. Look how much cheese we had on there. That looks so good. All right, Steph's gonna give her food a try here.
Look how cool that looks. It looks like a little bag.
A little bag of pasta right there. A little bag of excellence, probably. And then there's. That looks so good, especially that crispy pancetta there.
That is delicious.
That's awesome.
Absolutely. The cheese is so creamy in there, and the sauce has a little bit of kick to it. It's perfect.
Alrighty, here's my dish here. I'm gonna give it a try. I've got this before. It's really good, but I'll give it a try again here.
Look at that. Look at that yumminess.
This is like a crispy, perfect chicken breast. Really good pasta, like herb garlic pasta in there. And the sauce is light. It's not like a super heavy sauce. I just love it here. This is good.
All right, guys. You'll notice our plates are gone.
Table's cleaned off.
We ate everything. So what are you waiting for now, Jared?
I just ordered some tiramisu. I'll show you all that once it gets here.
Yeah.
The tiramisu here was one of my favorites before. I only had that one time, but it was excellent. Really
Excelente.
Excelente.
Yeah, it was really, I don't like tiramisu, but he really loved it.
Yeah, so
I didn't get dessert because I am stuffed.
Yeah, you get a lot of food here, that's for sure.
You do.
Yeah.
But this place too, look how beautiful it is. Jeremy wants to hang one of those in our house. I told him it would hit the floor.
We'll eat out of like a little bowl, a big bowl full of pasta. Alrighty, my tiramisu got here. Look at that thing. I love this tiramisu last time. I'm gonna go ahead and dig in here and just give you a quick try of it real quick. We're gonna bite right there. I love that coffee flavor. Their tiramisu is fantastic. It's just the ice cold cream in there, and then the the coffee soaked little lady fingers in there, the sponges, and it's just so good. Yeah, this is fantastic. Yeah, get the tiramisu if you come here.
All right, and here is the damage, guys. Jeremy's over there eating his dessert.
Yeah.
So I'm going to show you this. We had 2 Caesar salads, a pasta vodka for me, his chicken Milanese, and his tiramisu. With tax, it was $74.18.
They didn't even charge us for our drinks, so their drinks didn't get charged. And I'm still digging in my tiramisu right here.
Yeah, speaking of drinks, I had a sweet tea. Word to the wise, it's not very sweet here, so if you are a Southern girl like me and you want some sweet tea, it's not here, yeah.
Oh, this is your half, Stephanie. I'm not eating it.
No, I don't like it. I don't like it.
It's all for me.
Yeah.
It's so good. Alrighty, we just got done eating at Brio Italian Grille.
Yes, sir.
We love that place. We've been there
Very good.
before. It's always very good. What do you think, Stepharoo?
I absolutely love mine. The stuffed pasta with the ricotta cheese.
Like a little bag
Yeah.
of like goodness. It looked
It was
amazing.
delicious. It was absolutely delicious. The cheese was creamy. The sauce was perfect. I couldn't have asked for a better dinner.
Yeah, the Caesar salads are good. Had it before. That bread's like a sourdough. I really love that bread a lot. The chicken Milanese, kind of chicken parm. I think the difference is just less cheese on it
Yeah, I think so.
versus chicken parm, but it's pretty much the same thing. I love it every time. The tiramisu, fantastic. It's one of my favorite tiramisus of all time.
We saw that look of love on your face.
Yeah, tiramisu is fantastic. Service was excellent again, very quick. Just an awesome restaurant, great service, great food. Yeah, I think it was 74-ish or so after tax and everything.
Yeah.
Well worth the money. Well worth it. One of my favorite Italian restaurants. What would you rate stuff?
I'd give it, honestly, a 10.
Yeah, for me, I'm 10 out of 10 on that as well. So just highly recommend Brio. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.